Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try the Goreng instant noodles. I have it in here. I wrap it in aluminum foil so it's keeping hot while I'm cooking other stuff. I have in here 3 eggs, boiled eggs, and I have bok choy, and I have hot dog, but this is not the same with the Philippine one. This is Thai style. And I have lime in here because I like the noodles with some limes. Every time I eat instant noodles or any kind of noodles, I always like mine with lime. Oh, I haven't mixed it yet. It's a lot, I think, but I'm so hungry right now. I feel like I can eat everything, but you know, my eyes is bigger than my belly. So I'm just gonna put some lime. I just copied my blogger friend. She's in Korea right now. Her channel is Baby Darling, so I just copy her because she tried this, and every time I go to her channel, it's always make me hungry because she did a lot of mukbang. She also do a lot of life in Korea, what places to go in Korea. So you can always check her channel out if you are planning to go to Korea, so you have ideas to where to go and what to do and what the food's like in Korea. I think it becomes so dry. I think I should put a little bit of water, left some water. I'm really hungry, guys. I forgot to buy a Coke. I am so lazy to go to 7-Eleven, guys, and it's just like a 5 minutes walk, but I'm so lazy. I'm gonna try the egg. I think this is also good with kimchi. I always eat noodles with kimchi, but I don't have kimchi right now. It's so good. Is it good or I'm just so hungry? No matter how you cook the bok choy, it always tastes good. I just cook it stir fried with a bit of salt and it's already tastes so good. My table is a bit low for me. Hot dog, guys. I'm full. This is what I'm talking about, guys. My eyes is bigger than my belly. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Sorry. Even if I don't finish this, guys, I always save it for later because I really don't like wasting food. Oh my god, I start to feel full, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really feel like I cannot finish it all. I'm just gonna take it easy. I know it's not so appetizing, guys, when you look at me eating. I'm sorry about that. So guys, I think I need a time to finish everything. I actually only had coffee today, so I haven't eaten like 6 hours since I woke up. I don't think I'm gonna finish it the whole video. It's gonna take so long time. So I'm just gonna wait until later, until I'm gonna get hungry again. I'm gonna eat the leftover. I'm really full right now, guys. And I still have this. Wait, 2 hot dogs. 3 hot dogs and 2 eggs and some of the veggies I cook. Kinda have watery because of the veggies. So I think that's it, guys. I'm so full, but I promise I'm going to eat it later. I'm just gonna put a small clip of the end of this video. Before everything's end, I'm just gonna say hi to shout out. I'm just gonna shout out. Shout out pala kay Ate Jen Evangelista. Hello po. Siya po yung tumutulong sa akin dati. Yung nag-start pa ako mag-online stuff. So may co-working kasi sila. So ano niya ako doon na libre, nakakahiya. So I'm so thankful for her, and she's in Singapore right now. Hello, and thank you so much for watching my vlog, Ate, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you have a great time in there in Singapore right now. So thank you. And hi to Alfonso. I play Call of Duty, guys, sometimes. So I play with some random people. I met gamers, Filipino gamers, and it's so fun, guys. Hi Alfonso, thank you for watching my vlog. So yun lang pong nagpapa-shoutout sa akin. So kung gusto niyo palang magpa-shoutout, mag-comment lang kayo, ganon. So i-shoutout ko talaga kayo. Kapag nag-shoot ako, is nakakalimutan na na yung shoot ko, tapos nakalimutan ko na may isa-shoutout pala ako. So sorry for the delay, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, my vlog and stuff like that. I don't really do a mukbang, but I like to do it more because I like food. And so on my channel you can find a lot of stuff on my channel. So if you want to see more vlogs from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Love you all! Hey guys, so ayan, kakainin ko na siya, guys. Late snack. Ayun, medyo busy kasi today, guys. So, ayan. Ito yung kanina na mukbang ko, diba? Oh, hindi ko siya winaste.